In this video, I will show you how to check the SHA1 hash of a file on Ubuntu. This is useful to verify that a file has not changed or become corrupted. I will guide you step by step using simple commands. First, open the terminal by pressing Ctrl plus Alt plus T. Next, navigate to the folder where your file is located. Use the command cd folder name replace folder name with the name of your folder. For example, if your file is in the Documents folder, type cd documents. Then use the following command to get the SHA1 hash of your file, SHA1 sum file name. Replace file name with the name of your file. For example, if your file is called example.txt, type SHA1 sum example.txt, press enter. You will see a long string of letters and numbers. This is the SHA1 hash of your file. To save the hash output to a file, add this to the command SHA1 sum example.txt hash.txt. This creates a file called hash.txt with the hash inside. That is how you check the SHA1 hash of a file on Ubuntu using the terminal. Thanks for watching.